Versatile design. This dual-output trailer wiring adapter makes it easy to tow different trailers with your vehicle, equipping it with a standard 7-way RV blade socket while retaining use of the existing 4-way flat wiring. Weather resistant. This trailer wiring harness adapter comes with dust covers for the 4-pin and 7-pin wiring sockets to protect the terminals from water, dirt and corrosion. The wiring harness is also well protected with the included slit loom sleeve. Integrated tester. The 7-pin output of this dual trailer wiring adapter features a built-in LED wiring tester in the dust cover to ensure proper functionality of your vehicle towing electrical system. Standard connection. This trailer hitch wiring adapter plugs into any standard 4-way flat and can be used to connect the tail lights, brake lights, turn signals, reverse lights, trailer brakes and auxiliary power, some splicing required. Durable construction. For long-lasting use and a reliable connection, the housing of this trailer harness adapter is made from durable black plastic that will never rust or corrode. There are several different types of connectors used to supply power from a tow vehicle's electrical system to a trailer's wiring system. Some trailers only need the bare essentials, running lights, brake lights and turn signals, while others require a connection for reverse lights, electric brakes and auxiliary power. With connectors ranging from simple to complex, it may be the case that the connection between your vehicle and your trailer is not a perfect match. For example, your truck may be equipped with a 6-way round socket, but your trailer may have a 4-way flat plug. For this very common problem, CURT offers a quick and simple solution in the form of an electrical adapter. An adapter is an electrical device that allows a connection to be made between a mismatched trailer plug and vehicle socket. It easily plugs in your vehicle's electrical socket and usually requires no additional wiring. CURT offers an array of adapters to accommodate most types of plugs and sockets, including 4-way flat, 4-way round, 5-way flat, 6-way round, 7-way RV blades and more. This special dual-output electrical adapter is actually designed to adapt a 4-way flat vehicle socket to fit multiple trailer plugs, including a 4-way flat and a 7-way RV blade connector. Some manual wiring is required. This multi-purpose socket also comes with an integrated electrical tester, dust covers, a mounting bracket and all necessary mounting hardware for a complete installation. Top reviews from the United States. Solved my problem. Wired it to convert an old 4-pin to the new dual plug. You will need to add the backup light. I like the LEDs on this unit and how well built it is. Nice.